It is a time to stop, pause, and assess how we feel in the moment. You can draw or use words to express it. 10 minutes rules. Spend just 10 minutes on daily tasks. If it's tough, don't worry. Keep trying for those 10 minutes. Parents' praise. Your efforts are awesome. Parents might give rewards or praise to cheer you on. Write down your thoughts and difficulties. Record all feelings, thoughts or challenges that you faced. My takeaways. Learning something new each day is cool. Don't stress if you need help a grown-up to write your takeaways down. Who can help? If a task's tricky, ask a trusted someone for help. It's okay to not finish. No worries if you don't finish everything. They are activities make us learn. Celebrate mistakes. Mistakes are our friends, and they told us what we can do better. Learn from mistakes and keep going.